Kaya naman guys, ito yung mga kapag panay kontra ka sa feedback or you shut down after being corrected, it already shows resistance to growth. So leaders will instead hesitate to advocate for someone who can't self-reflect.
Mm,
Domino effect yan, guys.
Perfect yarn. Ano yon? After Jesus, ikaw na? Wala
Ganong
kang ano?
level.
Wala,
God
ayaw mo tanggap
level.
ng feedback? Oh. Actually, ang dami ko na-encounter na ganyan na every time I give feedback to them, they always have reason, they have alibis, or they will always say, "Yeah, nagawa ko na po yan. Ay, yan nga po yung ginagawa ko ngayon." Parang, I don't
Mm.
know how to, for example, we listen to the call, and then ano ba? Eh, we listen to the call and then may opportunity doon and then hindi ko man narinig na kinoach niya yung TL, yung agent about that opportunity. Sasabihin sa akin ng TL, "Ay, yeah, I've already coached the agent last week about that, blah, 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 and nagawa ko na po yan, nagawa ko na po yan." Ako ang point ko is, kung nagawa mo na, eh bakit ganyan pa rin yung agent? Na-gets mo? Kumbaga
Mm.
parang, don't tell me na nagawa mo na. It's good na nagawa mo na, no? Pero that's not the point. My point here is, yung behavior na yan is present pa rin. And you,
Yes.
as you said, nagawa ko na po yan, blah, 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 blah. Do tanggapin mo yung feedback and let me know and tell me, yan po yung nagawa ko last week and I need, siguro can you suggest other, other activities para ma-improve ko yung behavior ni agent?